Everyone, Sari, can you be me?
Yes, Sari is gonna make a Pavlova cake.
Yeah. But all the ingredients.
Yes. So what is a Pavlova cake? A Pavlova is actually a famous Australian dessert. The base is meringue, and you top it with different fruits, right? So Sari's Pavlova
Yeah.
will have what? What are your ingredients?
This.
So we've got the whipped cream. So this is the cream. You just use half of it, and you put 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and then you whip it. Right? And then we've got the Pavlova base.
Please.
This is actually available.
You make a circle.
Yes, it's a circle. And what's the color?
White.
White. So that's actually available in.
I see the color. Brown, red, blue, white, blue, white, rainbow, and white.
Yes, those will be the colors of your Pavlova. So the base is actually ready-made Pavlova base, and we bought this from the supermarket.
This is come on the shop.
Yeah, this came from the shops. So what will we do first? So we've got the whipped cream.
But
First, we need to put pudding just to add a bit of color and decoration.
What's
So
that?
this is 2 parts strawberry jam and 1 part water. Alright, so we're just gonna put this inside just to add a bit of color. So, Sari, can you just share with them? Can you just share with them the different ingredients that you will put?
what's this?
Sorry, the different decorations. So you're going to put, what are the fruits?
Strawberry,
We've got strawberries and
blueberry.
blueberries. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna put that later. We still need to put the whipped cream, and we're also going to top it with, what is this?
Brown.
Chocolate, right? Chocolate flakes. Yep.
Yum.
Alright, so let's put the whipped cream first.
Milk.
Okay. I will let you put it. Mommy will just put.
Milk.
Just a bit the sides. I will let you put it in the middle. Don't finish all the chocolates, or else you won't have anything to put on top of your Pavlova. Alright. Now, Sari, you try and put whipped cream in the middle. Yes. Good job. Nice. Yes. Like a baker. Sorry. Oops.
That's okay. That's okay.
There you go. There. Nice one. Now once you put the whipped cream on top of the Pavlova base, what's the next thing? What's the next part, Sari?
Strawberry.
You're gonna decorate it.
We need strawberry.
Okay, so you want to put strawberries. Nice. Okay, just so just put put all the fruit decorations, Sari, okay?
Wow.
Put the...
Yeah?
There.
Yeah.
Wow, Sari. Okay. Put some more fruits. I like the color of this one. Nice.
When?
Alright, Sari. Look at your pavlova. It's almost done. So you've got, what fruits do you have?
Strawberry and blueberry.
Strawberries and blueberries. Now, we'll just need to top it with the
Chocolate.
chocolate. So just put it on. It's like a tower, right? Alright, Sari, so to add some more texture and color, we're gonna add... What's this? Cocoa powder. See that? See, it's raining chocolate. Look, raining chocolate. What? That's it.
What's that?
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa?
And then to make it more colorful,
Me.
festive, we're gonna add a little bit of green. So this is actually mint leaves. Try and smell that.
That's good.
Smells good, right? So that's mint. Actually put it like that. Just put them together.
No.
Alright, so this is Sari's what's that?
Pavlova.
Pavlova. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
See how it tastes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Thank you.
Bye.
I taste it, Sari. It's good. Good? Yeah?
Cookies. Enjoy this.
I love that.
Chocolate?
So good. That portion.
Yum.